Okay, let's come over and look at CL next, and for our chart. So we're looking for this 4 to either confirm as having been in at last week's low or drop down one more fib to this 67.94 and then give us an A, B, C up to our target region to complete this larger degree wave 3. So we'll just come down to the hourly chart, and those are the two alternatives. While we're below this level here at 70.35, then we can still drop down in this Alt 4 to 67.93. I really do not want to see 67.93 taken out. That's the 887 retrace of the wave 3 up off its wave 2 low. Below there, we've got 66.87. Take that out, and this account has invalidated. It does leave alternatives up, which I think are more likely than as having topped yet, but it gets more tricky, it gets harder to trade. So at the moment in CL, what I'm looking for is either this to come down and hit this fib. If we see it hit and hold, we can take a long trade, or for it to give us, at the moment I've got an A, B, C for a potential 1 in a diagonal, A, B, C for a potential 2. If we see this hold and take out the top, we can go long. If we see it hit the fib and come off it, we can go long in CL. So nothing is particularly straightforward today in terms of the Elliott Wave setups. In terms of day trading setups, this gave you an absolutely picture perfect short trade this morning of 69.84. So it's given you a nice 75-point trade this morning if you took that off the early morning charts when I posted them this morning in CL. And those are, for the last week or so, the pre-market morning trades have proved to be the better trades each day thus far. Okay, let's come over and look at natural gas next. So in natural gas, we'll just zoom this out to the 4-hour chart. What I'm looking for is a larger degree 5-wave move down here. So we've got a 1 here as a diagonal, a 2 back that hit the 887, sorry, that hit the 764 retrace. Then we got a 1. I was looking higher for the rest of this too, but we take the low out, I think we get the 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We need to see all of that and it hold a retrace and then let go is what I'm looking for in natty gas. And excuse me, let's just clean this up. If I can bring that down then to the hourly chart, you can see we're a hair's breadth from taking out this low. If we take this low out, watch the 1.0 extension at 31.12 next. We need to come through that to the next red line on the hourly chart, which is where the 123.6 is at 3.016, then the 4, 5, 4, 5, and so on. So you can day trade in between those levels, but for the meantime, that's what I'm looking for. And again, off the day trading chart this morning, it gave you 1 false break to the upside, back under the blue line, retest, and it tanked. So again, 1 false trade that you would probably be either broken even or lost a couple of pips on, and then the decent short this morning pre-market in natty gas.